Now I know it's not the vent on top of my helmet. My RI Quantum, where one of the vents on the top has lost its little clicky thing, which RI replace for free. For free?
For free.
Ah! That's karma, is that? I've just been hit in the eye by a fly. What is it? What is it that's clanging? Hang on. No. It's not the cable for my drift that's come out. Whoa! See, it just cut a straight line across stuff like that. See what I mean? These are backcountry roads of these. You hit one of them on a bend and you're off. Just makes a change from riding normal roads, doesn't it? Whoa, back end slipping out there. I suppose the one advantage that I've got today, especially riding on roads where there's a lot of loose gravel, is that my Evotech radiator guard will be saving my radiator from a fate worse than death by being blasted by loose stone chippings. Want to give a big shout out to UK company there, Evotech, manufacturer of a number of aftermarket parts, not just specifically the street triple. Radiator guard priced at 60 quid versus new radiator priced at 474. If you've not already seen the video for how I fit that to my bike, have a look on the channel, it is on there. If you've not got a radiator guard on your bike, regardless of what bike you've got, I'd recommend you watch that video and give it some serious consideration, or even at worst just price up a replacement radiator guard for your bike